How's it going, everybody? We're gonna do a walk around video today at the Auto Connect to this 2009 Porsche Cayenne we're selling. Has a 3.6 V6 engine in it. Cosmetically, the body, there is some, I would say, a little bit of scuffs here, but overall, very clean car. Good Michelin tires on it. 4 Michelin tires. We just serviced it. Drives great. As you can see here, right above that, this plastic trim piece above the exhaust is cracked. But besides that, body's in good shape. A little bit of a scuff up there, but overall, as you can see, it's in good shape. Interior's in good shape too. Comes with black leather, moonroof, heated seats. For a 09, definitely a clean car. Has a wood trim package, Bose stereo system. A little bit of wear here on the seat, but overall the seats are in good shape. Go ahead and start her up. So as you can see, it has 111,000 miles on it. If this is something you might be interested in, give us a call at 228-438-2056, or you could text us. You could also shoot us an email at theautoconnectllc@gmail.com, or check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. If this is something you might be interested in, please give us a shout, or like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you need any Audi, Volkswagen, or Porsche repair work done, and you're in the Mississippi Gulf Coast area, definitely give us a holler. Appreciate you checking out our video.